Looking for fresh ways to update your kitchen in 2026? From sleek, minimalist designs to the latest in tech and materials, we've got the trends that will make your kitchen stand out. Let's explore them. Kitchens in 2026 will feature a blend of quiet luxury, minimalist form, and artisanal craftsmanship. Think serene, Japandi-inspired designs with wabi-sabi's welcoming imperfections that add character to your space. In 2026, expect to see contrasting materials like recycled composites paired with rich woods or industrial metals. This combination of elements creates visual friction that energizes the space. Curved countertops and islands are the new go-to for 2026 kitchens. These flowing, organic shapes offer better traffic flow while creating a softer, more inviting space. Smart kitchens will take center stage in 2026 with AI-powered organization tools and voice-controlled systems. Expect features like touch-to-open cabinetry, customizable lighting, and inventory tracking. Thinking about how these 2026 kitchen trends can transform your space? Take our fun style quiz to discover the perfect kitchen vibe for your home. Just click the link in the description. Lighting in 2026 will become more than functional. Think oversized pendants, modular fixtures, and asymmetrical designs that add an artistic flair to your space. Lighting in 2026 will become more than functional. Think oversized pendants, modular fixtures, and asymmetrical designs that add an artistic flair to your space. Glass panels and cabinets are becoming more expressive in 2026, with varying transparency and textures that add rhythm and dimension to the design. Hidden walk-in pantries will blend seamlessly with your kitchen design in 2026. These spaces offer additional storage and prep areas, designed to be as functional as they are stylish. Which of these kitchen trends will you bring into your home? Subscribe now for more design inspiration and expert tips to help make your kitchen a true masterpiece.